A company that has passed the test of time. A robust machine. A damdar machine. And a machine which people can feel. It's heavy, it's sturdy, and it's built to last. Today, I am at Hindustan Hydraulics.
We at Hindustan Hydraulics, we are making CNC press brakes, shearing machines and CNC fiber laser cutting machines. We are in this product from past 3 decades, and we have more than 7,500 successful installations and satisfied customers. And our core strength is our repeat users. The commitment we give to customers and the response after sales we are giving to the customer is our core strength. And customers have belief on our robust structure, on our deliveries, and the product we are giving them, they are comparing it at an international level. We also have machines abroad, and now it's a growing organization, so customers are encouraging us to get more and more products to introduce in the market. And we have lot of suggestions from customers also, so which are always appreciated. So we are looking for more response and more confidence from the customers.
India is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. What are your thoughts about Make in India? You participated first time in 1989 in AMTEX, if I'm not wrong, and your company had started in 1975.
Right. See, Make in India is a very good effort by the government of India, right? And we are always focused to make all the products what we can manufacture here. But as you know, the demands are increasing day by day, and whatever the requirement, if necessary, we get it from abroad, like some controllers, motors, toolings. So mostly you can say around 50 to 60% we are manufacturing in our plant only. And the core strength is, the mechanical part of the machine, due to which customers are very much impressed when they saw our structure and our infrastructure. And that is the very most important fact that customers attracted to our plant.
How was AMTEX for you? Leads, inquiries, transactions?
See, AMTEX is for us is a get together with the customers. All customers, whoever from Punjab, from NCR, from East, they come to us, and we share our experiences with them. And most of customers who already have been to our plant, they also want to come and visit us. And I'm very happy to see this time that customers come and they want us to have a click with our machine. They want to make more and more references, and they told us that we buy 2 machines from you now, our work has been increased and we want to buy 10 or more machines. So we are now getting actually bulk orders from customers. So hopefully we are looking for more business, right? And great. It's thanks to AMTEX that they did good effort.
What is next for Hindustan Hydraulics? What's coming up?
Right now, as per the market, coming up is expansion.
So are we going to see more of Hindustan Hydraulics spread across the globe?
Pan India, we are already here, and now we are towards export.